How to share screen on Zoom. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to share the screen on Zoom, first of all launch the Zoom application on your device. As you launch the Zoom application, tap on your meeting. So here, as you can see, I've already been in a meeting, and here at the bottom there are different options that you can see. So just swipe it to the left, and here you can see the option of share. So just tap on share, and as you tap on share, you can see different options of what you would want to share, from your Google Drive to your photos, images from file, documents, or screen as well. So simply tap on the screen since we want to share the screen on Zoom. So give that access over here and then tap on start now. As you tap on start now, you just give access to display over other apps over here for the Zoom application as well. And you just have to wait for a little while. Let's search for Zoom and then toggle on this option and then go back. And here, as you go back, you'll be able to see that you have already started sharing the screen. So if you want to stop sharing the screen, you can just swipe up and then tap on stop sharing. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.